Alright, y'all, so as like a little headset, or headphones rather, that I use once in a while, I got these Sony MDR V-150s. And after a while, they look like that horrible, just bad, ripping apart and all that nonsense. So I ordered some replacement pads, and well, looks way better. I just put it on, so I'm gonna try to show y'all how to put it on, because I mean, it's self-explanatory, but once you have a technique, you know what I'm saying, it just goes faster. So yeah. Alright, so first you're gonna just pull out, and it's just like in there, you know, it builds its own little pocket, and voila. You know, these, you know, they came with the headset, so they're better quality or easier to, like, you know, pull. It's like a little spandexy material. Whereas, you know, the replacements I got, it's just, you know, I guess some extra stretchy wannabe vinyl shit, but it works. Pretty much, you want to try to pull the flat back, get it in between the groove that's in here, and then just keep pulling it over. My bad, y'all. And like I said, just keep going in a circle, obviously, because that's, you know, the shape of the damn shit. But once you get it started, it pretty much just gets easier as you go. And I'm almost at the end. And, you know, once it's all on there, it's good. And so there you have it. I replaced the, you know, foam pads or whatever. And so now to be a little more comfortable, before the little, like, parts that would rip off or, like, you know, get stuck to my head and all over my ear and shit. So they're replaced. I think they look 100 times better. What y'all think? So that's it. If you like my video, you know what I'm saying, subscribe, comment, like, all that jazz. Follow me on Instagram at oxsmoothxo. Add me on Facebook at facebook.com/oxsmoothxo. Twitter at oxsmoothxo. And I think that's about it. So there you have it. The Sony MDR V-150s. Yeah.